If you want to remove the Made in Framer badge from your Framer website, the first thing you need to know is that this badge can only be removed by connecting a custom domain, and that requires a paid plan. So in this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get that done the right way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick website and no-code guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Framer and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plans. This is where Framer shows the different subscription options available for your site. Now you'll see plans like Basic, Pro, and Scale. Take a moment to read through the features so you can choose the one that fits your website needs. If you're building a simple personal site or a small portfolio, Basic may be enough. If you need more flexibility and advanced features, then Pro or Scale may be the better choice. If you want to pay yearly instead of monthly, toggle the annual option next to the plan name. This can sometimes save you money compared to paying every month, so it's worth checking before you continue. Once you've chosen the plan you want, click Subscribe. Framer will then take you to the checkout process. Here, you'll need to enter your payment details and complete the purchase. After your plan is active, you can move on to connecting your custom domain. That's the step that enables you to remove the Made in Framer badge from your website. In most cases, once your domain is connected and your site is on a paid plan, the branding badge will no longer appear on your live website. So the main idea is simple: no custom domain, no badge removal. That means the badge is tied to Framer's free setup, and upgrading your plan is the official way to get rid of it safely and permanently. If you are just looking for a quick fix, there isn't a hidden free toggle for this inside the editor. The clean and correct method is to upgrade, connect your domain, and then publish your site with your own branding. That's it. You now know how to remove the Made in Framer badge on a Framer website by choosing a plan and connecting a custom domain. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Framer tutorials, website tips, and no-code walkthroughs.